guys, let's just unpack on Guningia today. Dr. Kekhelezi, guys, he made this video. Most people, I can say, they didn't like the stuff that he was saying there, because he's just like ama inyanga izangoma amaqoki yena wazama ukuthi ugogo Maweni benogogo Sikhosini bahlale phansi, and they hugged it out indaba yabo yokulwa. He was there, he was trying to solve them problems, and vele noma labantu bebelwa kanje nabantu bazojabula because usathane vele. In any case, they mustn't allow it usathane vele, because have you seen how uSikhosini ukuthi wenze njani uzokutshela checkmate ukuthi yena this whole time she was laughing at her. Ehle kugogo Maweni ukuthi nje hello akangazi kahle ngizombonisa uzoboshwa futhi lo ke busy futhi uthi wathi wabulala nengane yami. Yabo nje guys kuningi. So now uKhethelezi uthi amaxoki izangoma nenyanga aziye ecourt zokweseka and stand for uMaweni at. And then ngibona inyanga ke nayo was just like ayibona ngomuntu awasiguleli lo. Ngicela ubuza ukuthi ukhuluma ngani ngoba thina ngesize senze leyo nto leyo, because my thing is that iziningi into zikaMaweni guys, and they've been going on. I think ile nto leyo ukuthi wena you'll never be found out. I've talked about it so many times. Lento yokungatholi justice, you see with the Senzo Meyiwa case, you see with the Omodoso, you see like a lot of people lo Judge Mbeneng uSelbi, it's stuff that he's been doing. Buka manje usikhakhane wenzani ilawyer yakhe. It's just like how sisimos nawe enawo awuthula uthini mayehlisa uzipho eblog. I understand that guys. Ebizinto yakhe ngeAnaconda wena angithi you kept quiet. Now musa umbalela ezinye izinto. So nje like it's like you are all alone now. So ubani uzokumela? It's the same thing. So nje useyedwa Maweni. So Dr. Kekhelezi is like pleading to people, although he kind of rude about it, but he's like, what must happen? Ngoba nanihleka naye nihlekisa naye manje usathana usengenile, you can't go stand for her there nimele. Mina my thing is that is he gonna go again on Monday manga Maweni, because Maweni has to ask for bail, but manje people are bringing other things ezokubulala ezo4. Angithi lena the one that she's at jail for ile yokuthi wa shawumuntu. So now uyabona ukuthi it's lost. Ngapha ekuruleni uthisha nenkosikazi yakhe as they driving in, they coming to school this morning, bavela dutshula uthisha inkosikazi yakhe ilimele kakhulu nayo isesibhedlela. Guys, kwenzakalani? This incident yenzekale ekuruleni. Hey bakwethu. Hayi. Cabanga guys principal 13 bullets. Is there anything like that, my guys? Like kwenzakalani? And the thing is that what counselor is like asiyazi motive. Yabona kuningi vele kwenzakala, you never really know ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngoba it's 3 men that came bavele bamdubula. So ngesize sazi ngempela ukuthi kwenzakaleni, but I'm sure istory sakhona I'm still gonna report about it sisazoqhamuka naso ukuthi kwenzakala. Actually it's still gonna unfold. Mase kuba istory samabhubesi ne eKZN namanje amabhubesi awu3 awakatholakali, and manje it's actually scary because awazi ukuthi aphi yakhumbula ngize ngenza example ukuthi warifaiza la igoli, but it's actually not even funny guys. Yabona ukuthi that community now la behlala khona wildlife is not helping them. They like bona they done now searching for the lions. Is there anything like that? So the community went crazy. They were like nkhuluma ngani, because these lions are going to eat us phela manikhuluma kanje. So the residents of Clarkstad are the ones that are complaining in KZN about this. The 3 lions ate omunye of the farmers there. They ate the cattle zakhe, and he was complaining to the wildlife of KZN ezemvelo ukuthi like what must happen now ngoba phela siphila ngazo lezi zinto. Children have just gone back to school. That's how we live. We have to use these cows because like they sell these cows so that they can take their children to school. So now bazodlani bazokwenza njani? How are they going to repay him lezi inkomo ezo3 edliwe amabhubesi? They will like bona bana answer. The only time they going to answer him is when they find these lions. Manje bakawatholi those mabhubesi. So now what must happen? Uyayibona leyo nto le. And that's just rude. Like, why would you answer people like that? Engathi bona badelela amabhubesi ahamba yozidla inkomo zabo. Yabona ukuthi that's not right from ezemvelo KZN wildlife yase KZN. That's not nice. Ukubona ngoba labantu baphila ngale mfuyo yabo. So namanje ke they still at large. those lions, no one knows ukuthi zikuphi. How crazy, guys. What kind of a life is that? That's why I'm just like they roaming around. Oh my gosh. I was just making fun of it, but it's actually not even funny. Please. Yeah, thank you so much, guys.